welcome back to my channel. Again, here we are with the tutu, and this one is pink, and the ribbon is pink, and then we have the little bows. I made these ahead of time, so, and then we're gonna use this felt paper to glue those ribbons on it, on the ribbon, well, on these bows on the ribbon. Let's get, you can tell by the, I don't know if you can see, this one is like more coarser, this tool, so we'll just do what we were doing with the other ones, but make sure they're, like, when you tie it, it's even length, even though you're going to cut it at the end and trim it to where you want it. Done. Well, almost. I just need to put the bows at the end, and then it's done. I'll show you when it's finished what it looks like. Okay, here's the finished project.
And it looks so pretty.
Thank you. And hit that like button if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. And see you in the next video.
Hit that like button.
Thank you. Bye-bye.